I wanna take your mama out for date night. Make her feel alright. Give her conversation till the daylight. Cause she is so damn tight. I pick your mama up in a Ford Flex that I borrowed from my last ex. Leave your purse, mama, cause I got checks. Tonight gonna be about mental sex. We hit up TGI Fridays. Take the scenic route, forget the highway. There's no such thing as my way.
Real good.
I came from overseas on a boat on my knees. Had to swab the poop deck. Kept getting poop on the poop deck. It's Bobby Lee. Dun, 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 dun. It's Bobby Lee. Dun, 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 dun. Oh, it's Bobby Lee. Dun, 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 dun.
Really good.
They were doing a
Question: If Late Night comes back, could that be your intro music?
I wish.
I'm gonna tell you a fucked up story.
I'm ready.
So my grandmother, I'm fucking sweating right now. Lived in Korea, and she was paralyzed from the neck down from a stroke, and she just sit there because she couldn't move. My dad discovers welts all over her body. Why your grandma have welt? We go, we don't know. So like 2 days later, he walks in the room, and my brother and I have sticks. Sticks.
What? You're hitting her? Why?
Because she couldn't feel it.
Bob!
And she would just sit there and smile, right?
You
So
would
we
be
would,
hitting your grandma?
with sticks, yeah.
He saw you guys doing it?
Oh yeah. Are you lying? I caught you.
Somebody said you have to go to special ed.
I wasn't special ed.
Why?
I have a learning disability.
Which is what?
I think it was a mixture of, I just can't learn.
Yeah, but you're...